When your stomach growls loudly in a quiet room, you might think it's because your stomach is empty and you're hungry. But that's not what really happens, as the sound actually comes from a process called peristalsis, where digestive muscles contract and push food, liquid, and even air through the stomach and intestines to keep waste moving out of the body. Then, even when the stomach is empty or you swallow more air, these movements continue, and because the stomach is empty, air vibrations become stronger, making the rumbling sound much louder and more noticeable.